हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करते हैं बेहतर होंगे। जैसे कि हमारी डेट एंड टाइम एपीआई की सीरीज़ चल रही थी, आज हम इसे कंटिन्यू करते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ, जो है टाइम। ओके, आज हम टाइम को चेंज करने की कोशिश करेंगे, आल्दो फंडामेंटली नहीं कर सकते बट टेक्निकली तो ट्राई कर ही सकते हैं, कोई ना। सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी ओपन विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड। फर्स्ट आई एम गोना इम्पोर्ट द पैकेज विच इज़ नथिंग बट टाइम, java.time.star. This is our package, and so firstly what's gonna do, we will make the object of time. Okay, sorry, lt equal to local time. We will take current time. Okay, so just print it, which is lt. Okay, what's gonna do, I'll print it. You will see current time here. 1 represent hour, 56 represent minutes, and 11 represent second, and rest of thing this represent nanosecond. Okay, so you can also use off as well, which is local time lt. I will take lt1 equal to local, oh my god, local time dot off. And here you can pass hour, minute, seconds, and nanosecond. Okay, so let me pass here 1, okay, which is hour, and 30, which is by the way second. If I print it, see lt1, okay. See what happened. It is giving me 1, which is hour, and 30, which is minute. Okay, so I can pass here second as well. Let me pass this 45 second. Okay, so you will see now it's printing over, it's giving me 30, which is minute, it's giving me 45, which is second. And now I can also pass nanosecond, by the way, is 67. Okay, so this will print 131, which is hour, 30, which is minute, 45, which is second, and rest of the remaining thing is the nanosecond, by the way. Okay, so it's these methods are pretty similar of methods those we have already learned in our date video. Okay, so there is nothing big deal. Now we have get method. Okay, let me comment it out. So I will give this code in description, you can check that, check this code, by the way. And now I'm gonna take get method. Okay, so lt dot get over. Okay, from the using this method I will get the over. Okay, so over of what? Over of current time, which is lt is the object of current time, by the way. So I will get the over, which is 1, because current time is 15828. Okay, so this is the current time I am getting over. Like this I can get minutes, by the way. So lt dot get minute. Okay, let me write it over here so it clearly make visible to me, by the way. So I will write here over. Okay, over, and I will write here minute. Okay, and this is the time, this is the current, oh my god, current time. Okay, this is the current time, and now it will be clearly visible to you. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, this is the current time, this is hour, this is minute. Like this we can get second. Oh my god, why it is not working? System dot out dot println. Okay, now this is second. Okay, get this second. Okay, get second. No, okay, I lt dot get second. little mistakes. Okay, now it's 11. Okay, so this is the time, this is second, which is we get the second. Okay, so these were a few get methods. Okay, now I am gonna use parse method here. Okay, like as we already studied about parse method in our previous video with time, with date actually. So I'm gonna use here method parse method. Okay, let me write parse method. Okay, so it's parse. What I'm gonna do I'm gonna do, let me make an object of it. By the way, I will create another object which is local time lt1 is it created. Okay, it's coming out lt1 local time dot parse. Okay, so as you know, parse take character sequence. Okay, so I'm gonna pass here character sequence which is 0 1 not 0 1, let me pass is 0 3 and 0 let me pass minute which is 20 minute, it doesn't matter, whatever it is. 45. Okay, so this is hour, this is minute, and this is second. Okay, so if I print it, see what will happen. 81. Let me comment out this code. So I comment out this code. Now you will see the output of this one only. Okay, so parse method, as I given 3 which is hour, 20 which is minute, and 45 which is second. Okay, I can also pass nanosecond. So now you will see nanosecond along with the hour, minute, and seconds, by the way. So you see it's a nanosecond. Okay, so no big deal, and you can use get methods. Like, let me show you. lt1 dot get like if I get hour, now you will get 3. See, you will get 3. So it's not big deal. The method are similar like we had in date. Okay, so this was the method. Now we can use with method as well. Okay, so few with methods like with hour, with minute, with second. Okay, so these are few methods. Okay, let me show you with methods. Okay, so what I will comment it out this as well. Okay, so with method, what I'm gonna do is, okay, local time is the object I comment out. Yeah, local time dot now dot with in hour. So what it is gonna do, I will add 3 here. Okay, so see, let me write it here with hour. Oh my goodness, with hour. Okay, yeah, everything all right. What is happening? Karan Java. Oh my god, it's insane. So see, its time is current time. Let me print current time as well, so you can see what is happening here. Okay, so local time dot now. Okay, so you'll see the current time is this, and this is the with hour. Okay, where we had where we have taken 3. Okay, so when we take 3, it will replace 2 with 3, by the way. And if we have 7 here, by the way, see what will happen. Okay, it's replacing 2 by 7, by the way. Okay, so here you also can use with minute. You can pass your 50. Okay, so see, we have minute 5, but 5 is replaced with 50, by the way. Okay, so you can add second with second. Okay, like 40 second. Now you will see here is 31 second, but 31 is replaced with 40 second, and last is with nano, which is you can pass whatever you want, and now time will be currently totally changed. Okay, see, time is 2 is replaced with 7, and 5 is replaced with 50, and 40 is replaced with 48 replaced with 40, and this much nanosecond is replaced with 6, 7, 8. Okay. So these were with methods. You can check them out. It's not that much hard, by the way. Okay. So I am gonna comment it out. Okay. So few plus and minus method, as we already discussed these methods with date. Now here we are discussing with time. Okay, so oh my god, why it is not working? Okay, local time. Okay, local time dot plus what, plus hour. Okay, plus hours. What will be not local time? It's let me create object which is now local time dot now dot plus hours. How much hours? 6. Okay, so for sake of understanding, I'm gonna print local time as well dot now, which is the current time. Okay, so what will happen? This is current time, this is current time, and this is the method which is plus hours, which is plus hours. Now let me print it out. Okay, so this is what's time. The time is 2, 7, 40 when I add this. Okay, when I add what I am adding 6. When I add 6 with an hour, so 2 will become 8. Okay, 2 will become 8. If I add 10 here, see what will happen. So this become 12. Okay, this become 12 when I add 10 over there. Okay, so like this I can add minutes. Okay, so when I add minutes, so you will see like I am adding 45 minutes. Okay, see what is happening when I add 45 minutes. Okay, so this will become 12, over become 12, and this become 53. If I add 66 minutes, then what will happen? See, so you will see when I will add 66 minutes, then time become 13. It becomes here 1 hour 6 minutes. I am adding here 1 hour 6 minutes. So there is 10 hour, and this is 1 hour. Okay, so totally 11 hour. Okay, so 2 plus 11, which is 13, and the remaining minute is added in the this. Okay, this like 8 remaining minute will be 6, so 6 will be added here, which is 14. Okay, so this is how this work. And now I'm gonna take minutes. I'm gonna take seconds. Okay, so if I add 50 second. Okay, so you already assumed like how this will work. Okay, so here this is second. Okay, if second is more than 60, so it will convert into minute, by the way. Okay, so plus one thing is left, which is nano. Let me write it down, which is like I am taking 784. It will add the nanosecond. In this you can calculate how it is working. no big deal. Okay, so like this we have minus method. Okay, we have minus method. I will comment it out and I will show you all the minus method. Let me copy this code, by the way. Why should I write again? Okay. Oh, okay. Minus. Okay, so here instead of plus, what I will write minus. Instead of plus, I will write minus, and instead of plus, I will write minus. And here also, instead of plus, I will write minus. Okay, so whatever will be the time of current time, like whatever will be the current time, it will deduct how much hour, 10 hour from that, how much minute, 66 minute from that, and how much seconds, 50 seconds from that, and how much nanoseconds, 784 nanosecond. So you will see the time now. Did I write minus or? Yeah, okay. So minus hour. When I deduct 10, you can calculate, it will remain 15. When you deduct the minutes, which is 66 minutes, then this will become this much minute if you deduct from the current time, which is already visible to you, and this much second, 50 second, and 78.4 nanoseconds. Okay, so these are the few methods. Like, let me minus 1 so that you could get idea. So what is happening here? Like, I am just passing 6 minutes. Okay, I will deduct only 6 minutes. Now you will get the idea how it is working. See, if I deduct minus, so minus 1, which is 1 hour. Okay, so currently is time is 2 o'clock. Okay, so this will become 1 because I deduct 1 from it. Okay, so, and minute, which is 12, and I deduct 6 because of this is a minute, which is 50, by the way. What is this, which is seconds? Okay, 50 seconds. Because of this, it's become 5. Okay, so this is minus nanoseconds. From this we have removed this 784 nanosecond. Okay, so these were few methods with time, local time. Okay, so in upcoming video we are going to discuss about local date time. Okay, so here you will see date and time combinedly, and further we will discuss about format and zone things like. Okay, so that was it in this video. We'll meet in next video. Bye bye.